In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner to a Wix website. Adding a banner is a fantastic way to enhance the visual appeal of your site and make important announcements or promotions stand out. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you end up with a polished and professional look. First things first, you'll want to open the Wix editor, which is where all the magic happens. To get there, simply log into your Wix account and click on Edit Site from your homepage. This will take you directly to the editing interface where you can make changes to your website. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the plus icon, which is usually labeled as Add Elements. This is your gateway to all kinds of features and functionality that you can incorporate into your site. Click on it to open the Add Elements panel. In this panel, you have countless options for images, text, and other media. For our purposes, we'll focus on adding an image. This is where your banner comes in. So go ahead and click on the Image button. If you already have the perfect banner image on your computer, you can upload it by selecting Uploads. Alternatively, if you previously uploaded a suitable image, you can select it directly from your page. With your image ready, it's time to add it to your website. Click on the image and you'll see an Add to Page option. Give it a click and your banner will be placed right where you can see it and start making adjustments. The next crucial step is positioning and resizing your banner. You want it in your header area so it prominently displays across your website pages. Drag the image up to the header section until you see an Attach to Header notification. This means you're placing it right where it needs to be. You can also click and drag the edges of your image to resize it, making sure it covers the header area just perfectly. Now, to ensure your banner plays well with other elements like your site's menu, you'll want to move it to the background. The way to do this is by right-clicking on the image, hovering over the Arrange option, and selecting Send to Back. What this does is place the image behind all other header elements, allowing things like your site menu to remain fully accessible and visible to your visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a banner to your Wix website. With this banner in place, you're sure to catch your visitors' attention and convey your message effectively.